psoriasis is can't be cured. So I think everybody knows that, which is your skin will be ada flare and on and off akan ada flare. Walaupun you ambil any supplement or steroid pun dia akan keep on flare tau. Dia proses yang berulang-ulang. Okay, bila baik, and then dia akan jadi balik, baik akan jadi balik. So this is my life going to be with this psoriasis. Okay, with Next Bio, saya ambil ni untuk mempercepatkan proses dia the flare. Because of I notice bila I ambil Next Bio, dia cepat, the flare tu cepat hilang. Sebabnya I juga ambil Livco, Shilto, Zecoso and Medifit. Okay, yes it's help. But with this Next Bio, dia akan lebih cepat proses untuk melepaskan kulit dan flare. And then dia tak berdebu macam you know lah bila psoriasis patient bila dia duduk mana-mana kan, the flare akan jatuh dan berterabur. But with this Next Bio, dia tak berterabur, dia kelam macam tu, and then you easily boleh kopek dia dan bila mandikan isteri boleh kopek dan tak berdarah. Letak tu kan dia akan menggaru. You can resist untuk orang yang psoriasis tahu lah. You can resist untuk garu nanti berdarah few time. Berdarah pun dia garu lagi because of the itchiness tu is hard to bear. Okay. And then masa I ambil Next Bio, mula I tak realise this the benefit of ambil Next Bio ni. As I ambil, one of the reason is because saya pernah buat treatment juga di alternative treatment juga, and then which is the most important is to identify what is the root cause ni. So which is the liver and the gut as well. So that's why I know that Next Bio and Livco is a good combination together with Shilto. Okay, to be frank, I spent a lot on the alternative treatment before. Actually, like doing the blood test 3,000 plus, and then the consultation fee pun 250, and the supplement itself pun beribu-ribu. I spent a lot on that until my upline introduced me to Livco. So she kept answering on Livco. So the what we call that the product that opened my mind, opened my heart to a BE product because of Livco. Because I know that I need to detox my liver, I need to take care of my liver and the gut as well. So that's why I'm taking Zecoso as well and Shilto. So since then, I think in December, I'm taking this frequently as a my daily routine, because I know this is the what we call that the product that will help me. And the first time that the doctor mentioned to me that this is psoriasis. That time is I'm doing a treatment in Riyadh, you see, because my husband working in Riyadh. So by that time I'm blank, and when doctor mentioned you have psoriasis, because I know what psoriasis is, because my father also diagnosed with psoriasis. So I'm quiet. We are both of us quiet. The doctor quiet, I'm also quiet. And maybe the doctor expecting me to cry by that time, but I didn't cry. I just silent. Both of us silent, because I know that this is going to be my whole life that I have to bear with it. So, okay. And another testimony on Next Bio, you know that this psoriasis patient having difficulty to sleep, because I have insomnia. Sometimes I can't sleep for a whole week or so. I have to force myself to sleep. Okay, Livco, yes, it's helped me to sleep, but I still have to force myself. So, but with this Next Bio, okay, I feel sleepy. Sometimes I think, let's say, okay, I feel sleepy already. That this is to me is not a normal thing to me, because I'm used to wake until 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, and I only sleep after school, after send my daughter to school, then only I can sleep. So that's why sometimes I wake up I sleep at 8 and I wake up at 10. So that's what my routine every day. Okay, but with this Next Bio, I feel I can't bear this sleep. I must sleep. So I told my brother that I need to sleep now. I'm very sleepy. So with that is I have a quality sleep after I'm getting Next Bio. And before also I need to sleep, but I need to force myself to sleep. But with Next Bio, I feel sleepy, easily getting sleepy at night. Okay. And another thing. When I take Next Bio, I don't have any crisis looking at Bio. Maybe because of I will take Livco, Shilto, and Zecoso racing. Because during as I take Livco too, my having crisis is I have a migraine. I having a bad gastric. So and then sometimes I feel my body is very hot. I say, okay, that is very crisis. I think for the first week I am taking Livco, Shilto, Zecoso, and now I'm taking really nice, right? For the first week, I'm still okay, but for the second week, then the healing crisis comes. So it's I think for 1 week, and after that, I'm okay. And with Next Bio, that's why I think because of the healing crisis, I already cleansed my liver. So during Next Bio, then I'm okay. I don't have any healing crisis. But I noticed I don't have any constipation anymore. So I can natural call, go to toilet and stuff. And for the first time too, I think for the first 2 days, the bahan tumbuhan tu sangat busuk dan sangat banyak. Tapi after 3 days, it's into normal, and then I dah tak ada alami constipation anymore. I think that is the benefit yang I get from the Desbio other BD's products. And then for Desbio, as suggested, that I remember it 3 sessions a day. And for Shiruto, because of my cirrhosis, I'm taking 6 morning, afternoon, and at night 2 sessions each. As in also in tablet, and then as benefit I think 4, because when you having cirrhosis, then after dia dah flare, dah OP kan, after flare dia dah tua semua tu, so you can see that your skin akan ada macam hitam sikit tau, macam brownish or hitam. So to clear that, I ambil benefit lah. That's why I ambil 4 sachet a day. Kalau macam cirrhosis yang masih aktif tu, dia akan merah ataupun dia akan pinkish. So that's my sharing for today, that I would say that this product and Alora is my best friend forever.
Follow saya